Welcome back everyone. So today's video is just going to be a little bit of an update to show you guys what I've got going on, where I'm at and why. So basically, as you guys know, we're locked down in the UK, and because of that it's kind of put everything on hold. So I was just about to order all the carpet I need and all the insulation and everything, and then this happened, and then now I'm struggling to get bits because companies aren't in, things like that. So unfortunately, if I'd have known, or if I'd have been a little bit more smarter and ahead of the curve, then I could have got loads of bits, and this time we've got at home I could have been moving forward productively with the van. But you know, it is a lesson learned for us all, I suppose. I can't order some of the parts, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a little bit around what I've got going on, why, and then at the end of this video I'm going to announce what I've got to counteract the coronavirus, what I'm going to do to help you guys to keep content regular, keep it flowing. So stick around for that, but let's get moving on to this. So this is the Recaro leather reclinable seat, one of two, which I'm currently fitting. That's what I was sitting on just. There's the old layout, the double seat that I was going to fit, well, was going to use before, but now I'm going to two single chairs, captain chair scenario, and these are currently in the process of being fitted. But yet again, Corona, I'm struggling with plate, I'm struggling with welding. It's kind of, some of the work I'm having to do is kind of temporary measures. Obviously this is a split charge that you would have seen in the previous two videos with the leisure battery. I've removed it all because I started mocking up box section and stuff to fit the seats. I'm now not going down that route. I'm going down a plated route because I want to drop the height of the seat down, and this isn't as perfect as I want it to be. So I am underway doing that, but like I said, struggling. Same with the passenger seat. This is a swivel base I bought from SVB Accessories. That's nearly done. But yet again, the plates will be bolted on and then have to be welded on later on to fit the Recaro seats that I'm putting in. As you can see, I've been doing quite a bit of custom leather work. This is the Bentley stitched leather that I bought at the beginning of the camper conversion. Bit dark, sorry guys, but I've wrapped a few things in that leather. In fact, I've got the other panel for this side upstairs at the moment. Let's go and have a look at that. So here we have one of the panels in the leather that I'm currently wrapping. You can see I just fold it under, glue it down, and then the end result. You guys will know what panel this is. Side of the passenger seat basically. Got some more stuff getting wrapped. I'm going to do a video on that also. Obviously I've got all the I've got to finish all the electrics, the consumer unit and everything's got to go in and get fitted. If you saw on my Instagram, I've got these spare. These was fitted on the van when I bought it, but then if you remember on one of the early videos, I'll put the link below, I bought one of those full engine covers that cover the whole engine bay, i.e. having to get rid of these because they're built in. So what I'm doing is, these are 2K primered. I'm going to flat these down during this time. I'm going to paint them and I'm going to airbrush them, and I'm actually going to just put them on eBay. I'm either going to do a giveaway on this channel if I can get to like 10,000 subscribers, or, and this one I do prefer to be honest, I'm probably going to airbrush them like a Marvel scene or some carbon fibre, and I'm just going to put them on eBay, no reserve, promote them, hopefully get a little bit of money for them, and then I'm going to give that money to charity. So if this is something that interests you and you potentially want to win it, if you guys click in the bottom corner of the screen, you can subscribe to this channel. I welcome you to do that. Come on over, subscribe, give us a like, and if you hit that bell notification icon, it'll update you of all my up and coming uploads, and also you'll be able to keep tabs of where I'm at with this, how far away I am, what paintwork I've done on it, and when the giveaway or when the eBay auction will begin. Also, Instagram link below, you can keep tabs with me through that way. He's going in, I'm going to put him above the cupboards. I'm joking. Just joking. This is one of the carbon, on the back bumper, you have the carbon covers that sit on the lip of the bumper where you get in and out to protect it. I've already got one fitted, but it's tatty and old, so I'm going to fit this in a video very soon also. This is something else I'm just painting at the moment. Now I haven't done a video for this, I probably could have, but I didn't really think anyone would be that interested. Yes, Donald Duck's beak and legs are not yellow, they're more of a cream. But this is just me building the layers up. This is not finished. I might do a video on this just showing it you all clear coated and done and finished if you guys want to. Just in case you're interested, this is full concrete, completely out of concrete. This is like a garden ornament kind of thing. So that's enough of that. So I am in talks at the moment with this, well actually with a couple of companies that supply this leather, to give you guys all the links, because I get asked quite a lot where I've bought that from. So I'm just waiting for a few companies to get back to me so I can share that video with you guys, show you what I've done and give you the links to where I purchased it from. Here's the steering wheel I also get asked a lot of questions about. This is off a 2013 VW Up. It's the gloss black edition. Flat bottom steering wheel. Very nice, quite thin. I like quite thin steering wheels, that's just a personal choice. They're wrapped in the same leather which was mentioned just. There's all the split charge and stuff which is all bracketed. I've had this seat base powder coated now off camera, and I was going to weld these in, but because of Corona I've had it all powder coated, and I'm actually going to bolt the battery, where the battery sits, the rails, the frame that I've made, I'm going to actually just bolt them to the bottom of this rather than weld them, just so that I could move along, because obviously we're housebound. So let's just sit back down on here. So I've got some other little jobs going on behind the scenes, what you would have seen in the bedroom upstairs. I'll also show you now the engine cover, so we'll move to that now. So these are the engine covers that I bought, the one that I mentioned earlier, where it covers the whole bay. Now I'm going to prep all this during this time of lockdown. I'm going to primer all this up ready, I'm going to paint it. So if you could drop comments below for what ideas you think. Yet again, going with the Churchill London UK kind of theme, I'll put the Churchill steering lock cover video, airbrush video below in the description box, but I'm thinking maybe some UK phone boxes, maybe a World War II kind of scene. What do you guys think, and what would be cool? So there we go. Now apologies for me talking a lot on this video guys, but now you've got a full picture, you've got a full 360 degrees of exactly what I'm doing, what position I'm at, what parts I've got. But now we're going to get to the bit that you're waiting for. So Corona's got us locked down in the UK, and like I said, because of parts and stuff, the build is kind of on hold. So what I'm going to do to counteract that, but also hopefully add value, is I'm going to start a new series. It's going to start from next Tuesday. It's going to be a weekly series. Now comment in the comments box below if I should change the name, or more importantly, comment below with ideas. But it's going to be a series called 2 Minute Tuesday. So what it's going to entail is, it's going to be a video every Tuesday, just 2 minutes long, minimum talking, unless it's facts, just 2 minutes showing you guys the smaller jobs and helping more of a wider variety of camper van owners. So it could be a video 2 minutes on how to check your oil. It could be checking your antifreeze. It could be fitting a bonnet strut or a hydraulic strut on the pop top. It could be changing a wheel. It could be jacking it up. It could be changing the airbag. It could be whatever little jobs that can be fitted, taking the glove box out within a 2 minute time frame, roughly. I mean, it's not governed to guarantee to be 2 minutes. It could be a little bit less, a little bit over. But whatever you guys need, because there is people who own these camper vans who haven't converted themselves. They've bought one converted, but they don't know about checking the oil. They don't know about wheel torque or anything like that, tyre pressures. So it's videos so I can keep regular update for you guys, and it's just content that I can give and share and hopefully add value to people who need it. So comment below if you've got any ideas for that, and if 2 Minute Tuesday is going to work. Guys, let me know. Let me know what's going to work. Let me know what you guys think, because theoretically it's all for you guys, you know, whatever value you can get from it. You guys who are Explorer followers, I'm sorry, you'll have to just wait out. I can't really help that. What I'll probably end up doing is it's probably going to be 2 uploads a week. One will be the 2 Minute Tuesday, and one probably let me know what you think, whether you want it to be a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whatever day, but it will be a modification on the playlist, the camper conversion playlist, moving this forward. This is what I've got to work with, so once these parts are fitted and done, then I haven't got anything else to do. So just bear that in mind. But yet again, thanks for watching, guys. Look after yourselves, and I'll hopefully see you on the next one.